Our country.
India.
Which is our national flower? Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national animal?
And
National animal.
tiger.
Capital of India.
New Delhi.
Which is our state?
Kerala.
Which is our state flower?
And
State flower. Which is our state flower?
Golden Tower.
Which is our state animal? State animal. Which is our state tree? State tree.
Banyan tree.
അത് national tree അല്ല state tree.
Coconut tree.
Which is our state bird? State bird. State bird. Which is our state fruit? State fruit. State fruit. എന്ത്? Which is our district? How many days are in a week? Which are they? എന്ത്? ഫസ്റ്റ് മുതൽ പറ. Saturday. Which is the first day of the week? First day of the week. Which is the last day of the week? How many sense organs do you have? Which are they? പറ.
Eye, ear, nose, tongue,